Jesus Christ.
I need an angel to save me from myself.
Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, Jenny Fine. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. Alright, you know what I mean. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel before you go, and you're welcome. And if you're not new, you're also welcome. So guys, for today's video, I want to start my series of making wig, hair, customization and everything. So this is my first series. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wig frontal using a dome cap, a dome head, bundles and a frontal and a sewing. So guys, I'm going to show you the materials now and I will see you later. Bye. These are the materials you will need for making a wig. So you're going to need some T-pins, some needles, a very good sewing needles, a dome cap. You can use any of your choice. I normally love suspended cap. You're going to need a thread. Make sure the thread is very thick. You're going to need some hair clips, a adjustable mannequin head holding, and a canvas or a mannequin head, and your normal hair bundles. Sometimes I do check my frontal or my hair bundles and I do measure it from width to width and from length to length to make sure I have the correct length or size of hair, and I do a pull test to make sure this hair bundles do not shed or has any split end. You can see I have a very healthy weft. So next I'm going to use my adjustable head mannequin holding on the table. So I'm just going to like clip it and make sure it's very secured. As you can see, I'm pulling in it to make sure it's like stable. So you're going to need your canvas head or your mannequin head on top of your head holding and lock that in place and also make sure that it's secure. So next I'm just going to put my dome cap or a spandex cap onto my mannequin head or a canvas head. As you can see, I have already woven my frontal out of the way so that it does not get in the way of me sewing. This way it makes my work easy. So now I'm just going to put it on top of my canvas head. I'm taking a T-pin to lock each side of the frontal onto the dome cap to where I actually did some marking and get the hair out of the way with my hair clips. And I'm also securing the excess lace on the frontal just to make sure that it does not move when I'm sewing. So this is my needle. I've already put in some thread and lock it, and I just want to show you that I've already went back here with the T-pins to secure the lace frontal, so when I'm sewing it make it more straight and more easy. So first of all, I pull in my needle through the dome cap onto the frontal, bring it out and lock it. My first locking is through the thread itself. As you can see, it's very secure, and then I just went on to continue sewing because I've already locked it in the beginning, so I'm just going to keep on sewing. As I sew, I remove the T-pins along the way. So getting close to the edge, I want to show you guys how I lock in the needle and the thread. So I take my needle through the dome and the frontal, take the excess thread, round it about twice or three times through the needle and pull it out to make sure it has a knot, and this process ties it to the end of the frontal. So you want to repeat this process to the end. So I'm getting close to like finishing this off. Do the same process 3 times, pull it, it has a knot and you tied it together. So you're going to need our scissors to cut the excess thread. Make sure you have a lot of space to tie this later on, because when you cut it too close to the thread, like too close to the knot, you won't have a space to tie your last knot of your thread to your frontal. If not, you're going to have a loose frontal. So you can see I'm just going to finish the other side of this frontal and I'm done. There you have it. So next we're going to fix our bundles now. As you can see, yep, I just loosened it up. So this is going to be a double weft. So I am measuring this bundle along the side of the back of the dome cap to know where I need to secure it with the T-pins. As you can see, I'm placing my T-pins in the order of where I want to start sewing. So you want to take your needle through in between the bundle, not through but in between, and take it through your dome cap and out and pull it out. Then you want to take your needle through itself and lock it for the beginning. So you want to repeat this process and then just continue sewing. So I'm going to speed up this process so it's not too boring for you guys. You want to sew towards the hand, and each time you sew along, you remove the T-pins along the way. So getting close to the hand side of this bundle towards the frontal. So I obviously locked it, double tied it and everything out of the way. So I don't want to cut my weft or my bundle, so I'm going to do the fold over method. And this way I'm also securing it with a T-pin to make sure it does not move while I'm sewing, or I does not have too much space in between sewing. As you sew along the dome cap, you continue doing a fold over method until you finish your bundle, and also securing your bundle with your T-pin. So I just want to like speed this process up, so you know, just keep on sewing as you normally do. So this is the moment where I realized that, oh my god, there is enough, too much space. So I had to start again. So guys, yeah, it's our finished like first bundle. This is 18 inches. So once we have reached this side, it's easy for us to complete the other part of the head, which I am gonna go ahead to do. This is a 16 inches bundle, as you can see. So yes, I'm just gonna complete these and I'll come back to the camera when everything is all done and completed. This is the remainder part. I will then start off with a single weft, no more double weft, single weft. Because I'm only using 2 bundles to make this wig, I've used 2 weft in the first part of the bundle. So the other part of the bundle, I'm using single weft. This is to create enough hair bundle to fill out our dome cap, and you want to continue the process of sewing till you close it up to your lace frontal. So don't forget how we lock in our thread. You want to take the thread twice or 3 times through around the needle and through, and pull it, and you have a knot. Sewing in the final weft and closing the bundle to the frontal, you want to take your needle through your weft and through your dome cap and through your frontal. You always find a space in between where you sewed your lace frontal, and you want to keep on sewing it to lock that together, so there's no space in between, or there's no space, you can tell that there's a wig up, you know situation. So this is our finished hair, guys. I'm just pulling the knot or the braid I sewed on the hair earlier on, if you remembered, and combing the hair all together. As you can see, this hair is so full. I love it. So guys, I am not professional at making a hair wig. I just learned it myself. There's loads of video on YouTube or how to make a wig. You just have to find the right video. So if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Details of this hair will be down below, so check it out. Take care guys, and bye. So thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you guys love my tutorial, love my wig making video. If you want more of this video, please leave your comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to this channel is very important, and also click on that notification bell icon. As this wig I've made, I'm gonna go ahead to do another part series of how I bleach my knot, and I'm gonna make this hair from black to a brown hair. So I'm going to see you guys. I will definitely see you guys in my next video, so watch out for part 2 series. And nothing then guys, bye and peace out.